Seagulls were dancing all around. I woke up, what a sunrise on the sea. Such a precious gift to me.
Hello， 大家好，我是彩妆师Ginny。大家期待敲碗已久的男生彩妆来喽！这一集要跟大家分享如何画出一个清新的男生彩妆。同时，这个妆容如果在镜头前面呈现，就会像照片中所看到这种感觉一样。今天这一集在底妆挑选有一个小重点，就是粉底的颜色我们不要挑得太白，它是稍微比你的脖子再稍微亮一点点的色阶的粉底就可以了。不太建议你挑到亮2-3阶的颜色，因为我们今天要呈现的是一个自然的妆感。如果你还没有追踪我的频道，在影片开始之前，动动你的手指头，订阅按下去咯。OK， 废话不多说，我们一起开始今天的影片分享咯。
I just bought a new whip. Spend a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to no end. That's the stuff that I love, la la da da da. We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna.We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. It's like the story of my life. Best friends, but we rocking all the same things. Say you need me, but you really tryna change lanes. Well, I don't even care.Live my life, I don't battle with no fear. Fighting dragons, always been a real one. Hate you saying showing love, you a real chameleon. Get the facts freaking straight, always on repeat. Like, we could be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna.We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do.
Winterland, tell me all your secrets. Fill me in on your wildest moments.Trees, your yellow leaves move me. Dancing roofs, your painted red shakes the room. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer.Right out of this wicked black and into bright sand, straight toward the warring sun and into his hands. When I get there, I'll let my feet roll. When I get there, I'll break in your arms, I'll lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me much deeper I will shout. Let me know when I get closer, open up the sky for me. When you say I'll dig much deeper I will shout.
I slept all night on a big white ship. Seagulls were dancing all around.
今天的影片分享就到这里结束喽。如果你还想要了解什么样的男生彩妆，在下方留言告诉我吧。如果你喜欢这支影片，在下方按个赞给我支持哦。希望大家喜欢今天分享的这个妆容，记得一定要追踪我的频道，打开小铃铛，就不会漏掉第一手的彩妆影片哦。我们下一集影片见喽，拜拜。